Alright guys, today we are working on another video. So I've got all the parts for a PC in my car right now. We're at my friend's house. We're gonna build this PC. This will be the first ever PC I've ever had in my life, so I'm really stoked about this. My videos are about to get better quality. I'm making investments as well in my business, and we're gonna be doing a giveaway pretty soon, so I'm gonna be talking about that throughout this video. I will show pictures or videos of the products that we're gonna be doing giveaways for and explain the plan. Plan might not go as planned right now, but things will change over time. We are trying to build up our page, so when we hit a certain amount of followers and likes, that's what we're gonna do a giveaway for Christmas. All right, so my camera was dead. Oh wait, okay, yeah, my camera was dead this morning, so when I went here tonight I had to charge it up with a portable charger. We got a screwdriver set and a USB drive for Windows 10, so that's about everything that we need, plus all the parts. And I'm going to be doing a separate giveaway for a computer part, and I'll explain more of that in another clip as well. Alright boys, I had forgot the USB drive, so I had to drive back to my house just to grab it. This is everything. We got 2 towers, so I'm going to give away one of these towers because Alright boys, this thing is beautiful.
I'll hold the box down while you pull up.
Alright, hold on. I'm just going to turn it upside down. Just be careful with it. Oh, it's a tower. It's not like it's the electronic part.
Yeah.
And it's got,
oh, it's nice.
Styrofoam. Oh, shoot. Shoot.
It shocked me.
Yeah, it shot me like 3 times. This thing does look nice. Let's turn it up right. Is that upright?
Upright's right. That's the bottom right there.
Oh, okay, so like this.
Yeah.
What? Wait, oh, it's on the box. I thought it was, dang, that looks so cool.
What happened? Oh, never mind, it's still recording. Yeah.
So we got this. This is the most satisfying part, guys. Oh. Oh man. Yep. Let me turn it around here. That is pretty cool looking. Alright boys. We got the keyboard and the mouse that matches the tower. And it lights up. Hold on, be careful with that. Alright boys, check the mouse out. Ooh. Now this is like the nicest thing I've ever gotten.
Don't smash it.
Alright. Yeah, I gotta control my anger, guys. I cannot die to racks 20 times in a row. Alright.
Now with 60 frames per second, you have no excuses.
I should be doing Telos soon, guys. So now that I have a decent computer, I can actually handle some real bosses on RuneScape. That is pretty.
Alright, turn your light on for me.
The light is unplugged.
We'll hold this.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, I'm holding the light, boys.
This is the bootleg way of turning on a PC when you don't have a switch. Alright. Power LED.
Whoa. Oh, dang. That's so weird. It just turns on because the metal touches it.
Well, that's how the switch works. It clicks the metal together.
That's so weird.
Just give it a second.
Oh yeah, light came on.
First boot takes a minute.
Yeah. Oh, your flashlight went off. Alright, boys. It works. This is the BIOS, right? Or is it command prompt?
BIOS.
BIOS, okay. Yeah, that's what I thought, but I wasn't sure. I don't want to look stupid. We're gonna code the whole entire software program with zeros and ones.
Oh yeah.
It might take us like 10 years, but we got it.
I mean, this is a screw box.
Alright. I guess it's not really too complicated. The SATA cable's going to
Hard drive.
the hard drive from the power supply, right? Like one of them goes into the power supply, don't they?
And right here.
Oh, okay, and into the circuit board,
Yeah.
the motherboard, the PCB, boys. I'm gonna record real quick.
Alright, it's installed.
CPU has been installed, boys. It fit like a glove.
Now we put in the RAM.
Now time for the RAM. I got some, what is this, SATA cables?
Yeah, for the hard drive.
What is this thing?
It's for the. It goes
Oh, like the USB ports and stuff?
Yeah. You'd think that would come with the monitor.
Yeah,
I mean,
or the tower.
Yeah. But it doesn't.
Oh, we got the fans right here as well.
That's the GPU.
GPU.
Graphics card.
This is?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like fans.
Yeah, I mean, that's to cool it down.
Oh, okay. I swear I thought that was just fans. That's what I was asking earlier. Alright guys, so we made a big mistake. We got 2 of these towers, right? The motherboard does not fit in them because I need not a micro, a medium one. And so we're going to be giving away 2 computer towers. I was going to return one of them and do a giveaway on the other one, but they're only going to refund me like half of what I paid for it because they're going to charge me 20 bucks for a shipping label, which is retarded, but
Don't shop at Newegg.
they charge $20 for a shipping label, a sticker. It's not even worth the hassle of returning, so I'm going to give away this one specifically, and I've got one in the box unopened as well. Here. So I'll do a separate video for that. I'll explain more as well what the requirements to win it. Maybe it'll be like based on comments. We'll figure it out. I might not even get any comments because I don't have enough subscribers, but that'll be something. Well, we'll figure it out, guys. All right, going now.
Yeah.
All right, guys. It's been about 2 or 3 days. We got the new case here. We bought this a few days ago, right when we noticed that the last one was too small. So we are gonna give one of those towers away in another giveaway in a future video. So we're gonna open this up. All right, guys. Oh, sideways. All right, guys. I'm just kidding. This is the actual PC tower right here. I can't stop laughing about it. Alright, this is the actual tower right here. As you can see, this is the old one. It's immensely smaller, and it's gonna look like a beast when we power this thing up. Alright, let's get to it, boys. There we go. Oop. Motherboard fit like a glove, boys. Got these cable beauties. Alright, boys, this is the full setup. We got the mouse up here. It changes colors, so does the tower here. And we're already on RuneScape. Shout out to my boy Aaron for building this with me and teaching me how. He runs a Facebook page called Custom PCs. So he builds computers for people. Alright, we're gonna get RuneScape in this thing. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, I've tried this 23 times. This is my 24th take. Every single time I cannot get the audio right. This has been a hassle. I've used different audio or different recording softwares, different editors and whatnot. I could not get the audio to record, but this may be the time. I don't want to spend a whole minute talking when it's not going to record it again, so I'm just going to do a quick run around, and hopefully it's recording right now. We're doing a quick look at perif. We got a new monitor. This is the PC that you seen in the video. This is like a few weeks later. It took that long to get this right, and work has been kicking my butt. 10 to 12 hours a day on average. Making stacks though, so it'd be alright, I guess. Got off early today, so I went to go record, and I bought a headset. I bought, a whole tower, keyboard, mouse. You guys seen that? This clip is gonna be cut short as well. This is gonna be it basically. I'm just showing the new PC. We're gonna be using this for other things in the future as well. Hopefully, I want to play some Rust as well. That's gonna be it. I hope you guys liked this video, and hopefully this recorded, because I'm going to be salty if it didn't again. It's a little bit grainy as well, but that's because my monitor is a little bit too big. It's basically a TV, a small TV, but we're going to try to use one a little bit smaller. It's a little bit grainy, but yeah, it's still 1,000 times better than what we're used to. And I'm gonna head out on that one. I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed it, like it, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Peace out.